CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a programming language used to style the appearance of web pages written in HTML or XML. It defines how elements on a web page should be displayed, including their layout, colors, fonts, and other visual properties. CSS works by selecting HTML elements and applying styles to them using selectors and declarations. Selectors target specific elements, while declarations specify the styles to be applied, such as color, font size, or padding. CSS can be applied internally within an HTML document, externally in a separate CSS file, or inline directly within HTML tags. It enables web developers to create visually appealing and consistent designs across multiple web pages by separating the structure of a web page from its presentation. Additionally, CSS supports responsive design, allowing websites to adapt to different screen sizes and devices.